Hi friends, and we are going to talk about chapter 5, Africa, in the big book of Who. Life on the move, a herd of elephants in Kenya. The countries, most of any continent, all of the continent, Africa, is divided into the most countries. The newest country in South Sudan. It was created in 2011. Whoa, that was just when I was 1. Boy carries a tray of fresh bread around the busy streets in Cairo, Egypt. Africa has 18,500 miles, 30,000 kilometers of coastline. Some cities are very crowded, but most Africans live in smaller villages and farms. More than 200 languages are spoken in Africa. Sudan, Libya, Egypt. The land, dry deserts in the north and south, lush forests in the middle. Most of Africa is on a high, flat plateau. There aren't many mountains here. Most craggy peaks are in the east. You will find deserts in the northern and the southern parts of Africa. A band of forests and grasslands called savannahs make up in the middle. Zebras in Tanzania, Sahara, Madagascar, Congo River. The weather, dry, hot and rainy. Most places in Africa are very hot. The continent doesn't have any cold weather environments. It's rainy in the middle of Africa. You will find rainforests there. North Africa contains the world's largest desert, the Sahara. Strong winds in the Sahara can cause storms. How would you stay cool in the desert? I would think I would stay cool with a fan on the camel's back. The people are ancient organs. People have lived in Africa longer than any other place. Scientists think humans came from here. Today, many groups of people live in Africa. Some focus on farming and herding. Others live in booming cities where there are lots of business. Students in Switzerland. Masi children front of the mud hut, Masi Mara, Kenya. Masi houses are usually circular shaped. The animals. Time for a safari. Africa is famous for its animal life. You will find herds of elephants, prides of lions, and tours of giraffes. Gorilla, a mother and lion and her cubs. Oh, that picture so cute! The lion and the mother and her cubs. The mother lion and the cubs. That was so cute. In the forests of Central Africa, gorillas munch peacefully on the leaves. Hungry hippos wade through rivers and lakes. Hippopotamus. The giraffe is Earth's tallest animal. The sights. Wildlife and waterfalls. Visitors awed by Egypt's great sphinx and pyramids. The ancient Egyptians built them 4,500 years ago. Every zebra has its own unique stripe pattern. Animal lovers go to the grasslands to see Africa's great animal herds. Victoria Falls, one of Africa's natural wonders. In African name means smoke that thunders. The falls create the mist that can be spotted from more than 12 miles, 19 kilometers away. Explorer Spotlight. In 1960, Jane Goodall traveled to Africa packing a pair of binoculars and a notebook. She wanted to learn everything she could about chimpanzees. These apes are humans' closest animal relatives. Jane lived near chimps in the forests. She went to watch them every day. She observed their behavior and took notes. She made many new discoveries. Her work turned into the longest studies of chimpanzee behavior. The descent of the chimps. Jane studied in the 1960s. Still live in Gombe National Park. Let's go! Watch animals like a scientist. Jane Goodall made important discoveries about animals by simply watching them. Make a field guide of an animal life in your neighborhood. You'll need notebook, pen or pencil, colored pencils, optional, binoculars, optional. Note the animals you see, what they are doing, what are they eating. Note if animals interact with each other. Can use colored pencils, draw pictures of them too. Try to do your observations the same each day or once a week. Write down any changes that take their place. After a few weeks or months, go back and look at your notes. Do you notice any changes happening over time? Continue your observations for as long as you like. Bye bye, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Actually, I live in an apartment, so it's going to be hard to do this activity. I'm going to do this. Bye.